Hello everyone! Welcome back to synonym, definition clue, explanation clue, cause and effect clue, comparison clue, and inference clue. And let us discuss them one by one. The first one is synonym clue. Synonym are words that have the same meaning. Let us look at some examples. Lisa is a very kind person. She is very nice. The unfamiliar word is kind. It also means nice. Are you happy or glad that you came? The unfamiliar word is glad. It is also the same meaning as happy. In this sentence, we use the signal word or. Remember that signal word or? It indicates a synonym. Last sentence, Ben is so amiable. He is friendly to his classmates. The unfamiliar word is amiable. Amiable means friendly. So these are the examples for synonym clue. Antonym, words that have the opposite meaning. So here are some examples. Messy kids need to learn how to be tidy. The word messy or makalat is the opposite of the word tidy, malinis. Messy and tidy are antonyms. Another one. The t-shirt is too big. He is just a small boy. The word big is the antonym for small. First, she was calm, then she went furious because of the bad test results. The word calm is the opposite or the antonym of furious. For our activity time, let us read the sentences and then tell the synonym or the antonym of the underlined word. Number 1. You need to eat or take a bite of something. Remember, panlipunan. And last, I live in Manila. What is Manila? The capital of the Philippines. And that is the definition clue. Next is explanation clue. Provides examples with words like including, such as, for example. So when we see these signal words, automatically it is an explanation clue. Southeast Asia, such as Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand, are countries located near the Pacific. So, the signal word use is such as, and it gave different examples of Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand. On in a result with signal words like because, since, therefore, that is why, so, and some more. Let us look at some examples. We lingered too long eating outside. That is why we missed the beginning of the movie. So on the first half of the sentence, we see the word lingered. What do we mean by lingered? So a clue is given in the effect. The effect is using this signal word, that is why. We missed the beginning of the movie because we went too long outside, or they were eating too long outside. And that is what we mean by the word lingered. You took too long. Another one, she was modest at the party because she went there so unnoticed. So the signal word used is because. It represents or presents a cause. She went there so unnoticed. That is why the effect is she was modest. And that is the cause and effect clue. Next is comparison clue. When you say comparison, similarities. This presents similarities in the context, using words like, as, similar to, in the same way, likewise, resembling to, and also. Let us look at some examples. The fireflies glittered in the darkness, like the stars that twinkle in the night sky. The unfamiliar word is glittered. It is the same as twinkle, and the two were compared. Fireflies or alitap-tap and stars between. They both glittered and twinkled. I am curious about plants as you are interested in animals. The unfamiliar word is curious. What is the signal word used? They use as. And it is the same as the word interested, curious, about plants, interested in animals. So their interests were compared. So this is the comparison clue. And the last one is what we call inference clue. Meaning can be inferred or guessed or mahulaan from the description of the situation. Kaya dito, huhulaan natin ang ibig sabihin ng salita sa kung paano siya ginamit sa pangungusap. The first one is, I wish I had a spacecraft so I could fly to the moon. What do we mean by spacecraft? What object can take us or fly us to the moon? Correct. Spacecraft also means spaceship or rocket ship. The next one. The typhoon was catastrophic. Everything was destroyed and many were killed. So what do we mean by catastrophic? It was a very disastrous thing because everything was destroyed and many were killed. So with the use of inference clue, we can understand the words better. So let us have our final learning task. First, when it is cold, I shiver, my body shakes, and my teeth chatter. What do we mean by shiver? A. Glow. B. Quiver. C. Hot. Correct. The answer is letter B. Quiver. Shiver, quiver. Next. From March to May, I cannot take the scorching sun's heat. What do you mean by scorching? A. Warm. B. Cold. Or C. Shining. When you say scorching, correct, it means A. Warm. Scorching, warm. The last one, she went to the hospital for immunization. so that she is protected from the virus. What do you mean by immunization? A. Check-up. B.